Kaspa is contributing around 0.0355% to the overall crypto market. Everyone is talking about Kaspa. Some people think it's going to $5. Others believe it's completely dead. But what if I told you both sides could be wrong? Because after spending hours comparing Kaspa with previous market cycles, studying the charts, the market cap, and historical data, I found something that almost nobody is talking about. And if this pattern plays out, it could completely change your expectations for Kaspa over the next 2 to 3 years. So before you buy, sell, or even hold another Kaspa, watch this video till the very end. Before we begin, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my content. Also, if you're holding Kaspa, let me know in the comments, how many Kaspa coins are you holding and what is your personal target for Kaspa? I'm curious to see what everyone is expecting. Now let's get into the video. So unlike other strong altcoins, we can only study Kaspa's historic data for one cycle. That is from 2022, which was its inception, to 2024, which was its cycle top. So as per the data we have, it took Kaspa roughly 791 days to create a cycle top. And so far from the top, we have about 730 days to the bottom. So as per Kaspa's historic data, Kaspa cycle bottom to top currently has a 2 to 2.2 year cycle. Now, if you have watched my latest Bitcoin final bottom video, you already know that the final crypto bottom is expected to happen around August to October. First of all, if you haven't watched that video, my request is to first go and watch that video in order to understand this video. So if you consider the bottom from August to October, you can expect the next cycle top for Kaspa around August 2028 to early December 2028. But don't get upset, because this does not mean Kaspa will not making you any returns until 2028. Like I said, the crypto market is getting very closer to its cycle bottom. So if you're able to catch that bottom, you can easily make over 3 times to 5 times in less than a year. Now, like I said earlier, we only have one cycle data for Kaspa, so sadly we cannot do a full-fledged long-term chart analysis, but we can use the market share method to try and find its minimum and max potential for next cycle. So at the time of this recording, the market cap of Kaspa is roughly 777.44 million, whereas the total crypto market cap is around 2.19 trillion. So currently, Kaspa is contributing around 0.0355% to the overall crypto market cap. During its all-time high, Kaspa's market cap was 5 billion, whereas the overall crypto market cap was 2.2 trillion. So at that time, Kaspa contributed roughly 0.227%. Now in the next cycle, the minimum target for the overall crypto market cap is 4 to 5 trillion. So if we assume a 0.035% to 0.227% contribution, so the worst case for Kaspa would be 1.40 billion market cap, and the best case could be around 11.35 billion, which means the worst case target for Kaspa would be around 5 cents, and the best case is 40 cents. So all those people who are claiming $5 target, I don't know how they are coming to that conclusion, because for $5 target, it will require a market cap of 138 billion. I know some people will now comment saying, Elon Musk will make Kaspa the currency for Mars, or Trump will replace US dollar with Kaspa, or they will have hyperburn or some sort of dumb shit. But all these are just talks. My analysis is backed up with proper data. During its peak, Kaspa barely crossed 5 billion, and now Moon Boys are saying it could go to 138 billion. So I personally don't understand the math behind it. I have given you my realistic target, which is 5 cents, and max, which is our Moon Boy target, that is 40 cents. So in this video, I have given you enough hints, and if you're smart enough to understand the data, you can still make money on this project. But don't go and start buying blindly, because the final bottom is still pending. And if you're following me on social media, you can search for my Kaspa chart to get a rough idea. So that's all about it for this video. If you found any value in this video, smash the like button and subscribe. And also, let me know what is your personal target for Kaspa for the next cycle.
I'd like to quickly tell you about our VIP group, which starts at just $6 per month. Inside, we share trading signals, monthly roadmaps, spot setups, and swing trade opportunities. As many of you know, I had already warned VIP members to start taking profits before. Every month, I share updated roadmaps based on liquidity and market structure, and they've been performing with a strong level of accuracy. I also recently shared my 2026 final bottom scenario, exclusively with elite members, including my long-term market outlook. Unlike many groups, there are no long-term lock-ins, no ridiculous upfront fees, and complete transparency. So if you'd like to stay one step ahead of the market, check out all the links in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
No paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the